to prepare for any management examination or be it any competitive examination without understanding what kind of questions will come, what kind of concepts are used to solve the problem, how the question patterns are there. You should not look at the last 3 to 4 years. You should look at almost last 20 years of patterns, because it has been observed from my last 15 years of teaching in CAT and other management examination as an ex-South India academic head for career launcher. I have seen the patterns which are coming in late 90s appearing again in last few years of patterns. Some questions, especially from quantitative aptitude, which used to come in 1997, 1998, early 2000 papers. For a decade that concepts are not there, but the concepts are coming. Especially the students can understand it better. Some teachers say that fact inference judgment is a topic not to be concentrated right very highly based on last few year pattern. Some kind of analysis they will do, but that is wrong. The only thing which can be predicted in a CAT paper is the paper will be an unpredictable paper. I repeat again, the only thing which can be predicted in a CAT paper is paper will be an unpredictable paper. So what I decided to do is I will run a free session. I will run a free series of sessions as long as I have time. The free session series name is CAT PYQ series. CAT PYQ series. CAT previous year question series. CAT previous year question series. As I have an expertise in quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning and data interpretation, I will be taking quantitative aptitude and LRDI. As long as I am free on weekends, I should be able to give you a lot of free sessions. Quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and data interpretation. We will have a lot of sessions which covers the questions PYQ, and I took the previous year questions, not from last year or last to last year. If you see, the paper which I started is from 1994 to 2022. 1994 to 2022, topic wise previous year questions. Topic wise previous year questions we will start solving, starting from quantitative aptitude. As most of you know that quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation and verbal ability are the 3 sections that will come in your CAT written test. In quantitative aptitude, there are 5 main topics. Let me write down the topic. One is number system, next one is arithmetic, number system, next one is arithmetic, third one is algebra, fourth one is geometry and mensuration, fifth one is permutation, combination, probability and set theory. As per the CAT examination, the structure of the paper, the kind of questions that are coming from CAT has remained same. Sometimes more questions came from arithmetic, sometimes more questions came from geometry, but more or less entire questions came from these topics: permutation, combination, probability and set theory. Each and every subtopic I will take a PYQ question. These PYQ questions are the set of questions, original questions, without change in any numerical values that came in the original CAT paper. Especially if you are a student who are preparing for CAT as well as other management examination, it is a known fact that some of the CAT previous year questions have resurfaced in IIFT. Right now, IIFT exam has got cancelled. So previously IIFT exam used to be there. Some of the original CAT questions, original CAT questions were a part of IIFT. So this is a special CAT PYQ series which will help you to understand the original questions. Shall we start, sir? CAT previous year question we are going to solve from number system. This is the part 1 series. This is the part 1 series. Like that, we will check how many questions we can complete, then we will get into part 2, part 3. CAT 1994 question. Please read the question, sir. First one, please read the question. What is the smallest number? I require the smallest number, right? I require the smallest number. Next one, which when increased by 5, let the smallest number be n. This n is increased by 5. So it is plus 5. N plus 5. What has happened after increase of 5? It is completely divisible by 8, 11 and 24. There is a number which is perfectly divisible by 8, 11 and 24. The number which is perfectly divisible by 8, 11, 24 will be the number which is the LCM of 8, 11, 24. Which will be the LCM of 8, 11, 24. Suppose for example, there is a number 4. What are the multiples of 4? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12 and so on. What are the multiples of 6? 6 ones are 6, twos are 12, 6 threes are 18 and so on. What is the number which is divisible by both 4 and 6 and the smallest number? 12, right? 4 write down all multiples, 6 write down all multiples, 4 and 6 multiples. What is the number which is common to both multiples of 4, 6 which is 12? Not only 12, 12 multiples 24, 36, 48 like that I will take. So the number which are divisible by 8, 11 and 24 will be 8 LCM of 8, 11, 24. LCM of 8, 11, 24. Now if you see, plus 5 goes to the right hand side. This will be, n will be equivalent to LCM of 8, 11, 24. 8, 11, 24 into k minus 5. Sir, why you got into k? Because we will get many numbers. The question is asking about a smallest number. It can ask about a smallest 4-digit number, largest 5-digit number, smallest 6-digit number. We will get a pattern of the numbers which will follow. That is the reason k will help us in identifying the pattern. 8, 11, 24 into k minus 5. Key points. One by one I will write down. LCM of 6, 18. LCM of 6, 18. If a number 6, 18 is there, I need to find out the LCM. Whenever you are finding the LCM of the given numbers, always take the largest number as the point of reference. What is the largest number? 18. Is 18 divisible by 6? Yes. If the largest number is a multiple of all the other numbers, then the largest number is the LCM. LCM of 6, 18. 18 is the largest number. Is 18 divisible by 6? Yes. 18 is 6 into 3. Yes. Second, one more example. You will not get a single doubt in my class if you follow it step by step. 15, 30, 60. LCM of 15, 30, 60. Step number 1. Whenever we are finding LCM, our focus is on the largest number. Check whether the largest number is divisible by all the other numbers. 60 is 15 fours are. 60 is 32s are. So largest number will be the LCM. This is LCM, basic primitive way of asking the number. Second way, write down in the same way whatever I am telling you. LCM of 6, 9. LCM of 6, 9. LCM of 6, 9. Always whenever you are doing LCM, focus is on largest number. Largest number is 9. Is 9 divisible by 6? 6 twos are 12, 6 ones are 6. So 9 is not divisible. If it is not divisible, if the largest number does not get divided by the other numbers, LCM is least common multiple. Take the multiple of the largest number. Multiple of 9 is 18. Is 18 divisible by 6? 18 is divisible by 6. Answer for this question is 18. If the largest number is not getting divided by other numbers, take the multiple of the largest numbers. Take the multiple of the largest numbers. Take the multiple of the largest numbers. Suppose for example 20, 25, 50. LCM of 20, 25, 50. LCM of 20, 25, 50. Whenever we are doing LCM, always concentrate on the largest number. It is 50. These largest number should be divisible by all the other numbers. 50 to 25s are 50. 22s are 40, 23s are 60. 50 is not getting divided by 20. It should be divisible by all the other numbers. It is not getting divisible by 20. Take the multiple of 50. 52s are 100. 100 is 25s are. 100 is 25 4s are. LCM of 20, 25 and 50. Answer for this question is 100. Answer for this question is 100. This is the second type. Right. Please put a star mark on this. Please put a star mark on this example. Star mark on this example. Very, very important example which helps us in eliminating the answer option. LCM of 6, 9 is 18. Input which all numbers are there? 6 and 9. One number digital sum is 9. If the input one number digital sum is 9, right? If I am doing LCM with one number digital sum 9, answer digital sum will always be 9. Answer digital sum will always be 9. Please write down, sir. Third one. Third one. LCM of any number it is. LCM of A1, A2 and so on. If one number digital sum is 9, answer will be also be having a digital sum 9. Answer will also be having a digital sum 9. If input one number digital sum is 9, answer digital sum will also be 9. Answer digital sum will also be 9. For example, if a question is LCM of 36, 48. LCM of 36, 48. If the options are like this, 96, 144, 100. We will also keep one more option once we understand the level 1 question. LCM of 36, 48. LCM of 36, 48. 36. 36 is a number whose digital sum is 9. Input one number digital sum is 9. Input one number digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum should also be 9. Answer digital sum should also be 9. A and C are eliminated. Suppose a smart student might ask me a doubt. Sir, what if it is 72? What if it is 72? I told you LCM always will be largest number or its multiples. If largest number or its multiples. Is 72 a multiple of 48? No. 48 twos are 96. So obvious answer will be 144. I hope you understood the concept very clear. Instead of just solving the question, we will understand the root cause of the problem in detail. We will understand the root cause of the problem in detail. I request the viewer to maintain a notes of each and every problem, whatever I am mentioning in the same order. You will understand it at the end of every class, how your notes is making you powerful in terms of conceptual clarity, class by class, right? LCM of 36, 48. Input one number, digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum will also be 9. 96 digital sum is not 9. 100 digital sum is not 9. 144, 72. Two numbers have digital sum 9, but largest number, LCM, largest number will be n, right? Will be taken from the LCM means largest number is the point of reference. Largest number is 48. Answer should be a multiple of 48. 48 twos are 96, 48 ones are 96. This is the third key point. Fourth key point, please write down. LCM of 5 comma 10 comma 7. 5 comma 10 comma 7. LCM of 5 comma 7, 10 comma 7. LCM of 11 comma 12. LCM of 11 comma 12. Listen carefully. Right? LCM means largest number should be a point of reference. Largest number should be a point of reference. 10. 10 is divisible by 5. If there is any number in the input which will divide the largest number, that means that number is redundant. We are eliminating it. LCM of 5 comma 10 comma 7. 5 divides 10. So 5 is eliminated. 10 comma 7. Now see here. LCM of A comma B. If A and B are co-prime numbers, LCM will always be their product. Please write down the next point. HCF of A comma B is equivalent to 1. HCF of A comma B is equivalent to 1. LCM of co-prime numbers is always their product. Sir, why LCM of co-primes is their product? Think logically. Largest number I am taking 12. 12 is not divisible by 11. 12 twos are is not divisible by 11. 12 into 11 only is divisible. So LCM of co-prime numbers is their product. LCM of co-prime numbers is their product. So 12 into 11. Please write down a note in your notebook. If two numbers are co-prime to each other, LCM of co-primes is their product. LCM of co-primes is their product. Is their product. Fourth point. Another fifth important point. Another fifth important point. Input, if you observe, one number is a prime number. Input, if one number is divisible by 11, answer also is divisible by 11. Input, if one number is a prime number, input if one number is a prime number, output will also be divisible by a prime number. Output will also be divisible by a prime number. Please write down. If input one number is divisible by 5, 20, it is divisible by 5. Answer, it will be divisible by 5. Input 6, it is a composite number. It is derived from a prime number 3. Number divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Right? These four very important key points. Again I am repeating these four important key points. Whenever you are doing LCM, first important point is largest number will be your right point of observation. Second important point, if the largest number is not getting divided by other numbers, take the multiple of the largest number. Second point. Third point, if the input one number digital sum is 9, on applying LCM, right answer digital sum will be 9. Point number 4, if two numbers are co-prime to each other, LCM of co-primes is their product. LCM of co-primes is their product. LCM of co-primes is their product. Another most important point, input, if you find one input as a prime number or a composite number which is derived out of prime number, answer will be divisible by that prime number. Answer will be divisible by that prime number. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 points, I believe it is very much clear to you. With this understanding, let us solve this question. Right? No need of, I don't want to just solve and show my mathematical skills. I want to explain each and every concept slowly, steadily in such a way that even the numerical value changes, question changes. Once you are comfortable with root cause analysis, you can solve the question easily. LCM of 8, 11, 24. Focus is on largest number. 24 is divisible by 8. So 8 can be removed. It's a redundant thing. 11 and 24. 11 and 24 are co-primes. LCM of 11 and 24. It is their product into K minus 5. Because the question is referring to smallest number. K is 1. 11 into 24 minus 5. 11 into 24 minus 5. 11 into 24 minus 5. 11 into 24. 11 24s are 264 minus 5. 264 minus 5 is 259. Answer for the CAT exam original question 1994, it is 259. It is 259. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. This is a traditional way of solving the question. Method 1. I hope it is clear. I converted every sentence into a mathematical expression. There is a number n. That number I am adding 5 plus 5. That number is perfectly divisible by 8, 11, 24. Any number which is perfectly divisible by 8, 11, 24. It is LCM of 8, 11, 24. I used the property of LCM, eliminated 8 because 8 will divide 24. I multiplied 11 and 24. Why? Because 11 and 24 are co-prime to each other. LCM of co-primes, it is their product. Question is a smallest number. That is the reason K is 1. 11 into 24 minus 5. So 264 minus 5. 264 minus 5, 259. Now after getting this here, please write down some important points. Important points. This entire slide is very, very important, sir. The important key points. Because the question may not be only from this point of view. If they change the question, my viewers should be able to solve any such question. Important key points. First key point, please make a note, sir. Negative reminders. We are going to use this concept. Negative reminders. Negative reminders. Negative reminder, it is an illusionary concept. These concepts helps us in simplifying reminder problems or to save the time and effort to before in getting the answer. Suppose 13 when divided by 5. 13 when divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. Positive remainder will be 3. Positive remainder will be 3. Negative remainder will be, take a multiple of 5 just greater than 13. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 13 is 2 less than 15. Therefore minus 2. I took a multiple of 5 just less than 13. If you take a number which is a multiple of denominator just less than numerator, it is a positive remainder. If you take a number which is just greater than the numerator multiple of denominator, 5 3s are 15. 13 is 2 less than 15. 13 is 2 less than 15. So it is minus 2. It is minus 2. I hope the idea it is clear. Negative remainder minus 2. Positive remainder add with the denominator. If you got a negative remainder, add with the denominator. We will write that point. Negative remainder to positive remainder. In case if the answer is a negative remainder, to convert it into a positive remainder, add with the denominator. Add with the denominator. If you get directly positive remainder, that itself will be the answer. Answer in mathematics, there is no concept of negative remainder. So whenever you get negative remainder, add with the denominator to get the positive remainder. Add with the denominator to get the positive remainder. First example clear. Second example, 23 divided by 7, so that it will be perfectly clear. There should not be a single doubt in the class. 23 divided by 7. 23 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. Positive remainder will be 2. Positive remainder will be 2. Take a multiple of 7 just greater than 23. 7 4s are 28. 23 is 5 less than denominator. Even non-max students also will understand it clearly. So after doing this, in case if you want to know how to convert negative remainder into positive remainder, add with the denominator. 7 minus 5 it is 2. 7 minus 5 it is 2. Negative remainder concept. I hope the idea it is clear. Now second one. Let us solve this question using negative remainder. N is equivalent to LCM of 8, 11, 24 into K minus 5. n equivalent to LCM of 8, 11, 24 minus into k minus 5. No need of doing 11 into 24. Now if you see, input one number is a multiple of 11. Input one number is a multiple of 11. Negative remainder if you get a negative remainder, add with the denominator. Denominator here it is 11. Minus 5 is the negative remainder. That means plus 6 will be the positive remainder. Answer when divided by 11, it should give a remainder 6. Very, very important point. N equivalent to LCM of 8, 11, 24 into k minus 5. That input 8, 11, 24. There is one number which is a multiple of 11. Input it is divisible by 11. It gives a negative remainder minus 5. Negative remainder minus 5. Positive remainder will be plus 6. Positive remainder will be plus 6. Sir, can I take this? 24 is a composite number. It is divisible by 3. So input when you divide by 3, 3 ones are 3, negative remainder minus 2. Positive remainder will be plus 1. Answer when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 1. Answer when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 1. Or answer when divided by 11, it should give a remainder 6. Answer when divided by 11, remainder 6. Or answer when divided by 3, remainder 1. Now see here, right? 264. Answer when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 1. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. It is not possible. It is not possible. Now 269. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 it is 3 into 5 plus 2. That means two options are not there. None of these means all the three are incorrect. So option has to be 259. Option has to be 259. I hope this idea it is clear. Input if one number is a prime number, answer it will be divisible by a prime number. 8, 11, 24. Input one number is divisible by 11. Answer should be divisible by 11. Something is left over. Minus 5 it is left over. Minus 5 it is left over. I am giving my friend 11 chocolates. I am giving my friend 11 chocolates. I gave only 5 chocolates. I gave only 5 chocolates to me and reached my friend. How many are there with me? 6. Same is the case. 5 left. 5 left. So outgoing it is negative. Incoming it is positive. Minus 5 plus 6. 24 it is a composite number. It is derived from 3. 3 ones are 3, positive remainder 2. So minus 2 is the negative remainder, positive remainder 3. I hope second question idea it is clear. Second question idea it is clear. Negative remainder concept, application of negative remainder.